So for our next salsa pattern, we're going to be doing what we call a second position break. So the man steps to the side with his left foot, the lady steps to the side with her right foot. So we take a small step to the side. Now we just replace our weight onto the opposite foot and bring our feet to close. Now the man steps to the side with his right foot, the lady with her left. We step side, we replace, and then we close. And we're just going to switch position here. So, the lady steps right foot side, the man left. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Just from another angle. Man steps left foot side. 1, 2, 3, closes. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.